Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A52s speaker not working or sound problem in Samsung Galaxy A52s. So before I start the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So if you are facing low sound problem or your speaker is not working in Samsung Galaxy A52s, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first just tap on settings and now follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.